Hi, Melanie. That was the damnedest thing I've ever seen. You really oughtn't to drive with a head wound like this.
I'm perfectly capable of driving in my condition.
You came all this way to bring me those lovebirds? You must really like me, don't you?
I don't like you. I loathe you. You have no manners. You're arrogant and conceited.
Stay the night, will you? How's your head feeling?
Well, it's fine. I really should be going home soon. Maybe I got lost in the dark.
But it's a full moon.
I think I will be spending the night.
There's something wrong with the chickens, Mother.
There's nothing wrong with the chickens, Mitch.
They're not eating.
Well, if they won't eat, it's got to be the feed. I'm gonna go see Farmer Dan and see what he knows about it.
All right.
You don't think the chickens are really getting sick, do you, Rich?
I have no idea. Oh, come on. Let's get inside.
Yoo-hoo! Dan? Dan? Are you home?
Ristlety, rastlety, hey darny, rastlety, lickety, knackety, rustical quality, willity, wallity.
Help! You have to get out now! Out there. They just attacked a school.
The end of the world!
What's this about the school?
The birds just attacked the school. They were crows.
Crows? I can assure you, no bird of any species would do such a thing.
I don't know anything about bird species, but I can tell you the birds are attacking out there. Yesterday I got hit in the head by a gull.
Oh, first it's crows and now it's a gull?
Then fight back. Get yourself some guns. Wipe my face of the earth.
I don't know how or why this is happening. I just know we would be crazy to ignore it.
Ignore what? The bird war? Don't you think it's odd that they waited 120 million years before attacking humanity?
It's not odd. They're massing somewhere out there and they'll be back. You can count on
Kill
that.
them all, get rid of them.
Ridiculous.
Messy
I
animals.
hardly think a few birds are gonna bring about the end of the world.
You birds. Mitch.
God.
Oh my God!
Mitch.
Dear God, look at her face.
We've got to get her out of here. We've got to get her to a hospital.
Let's go.
No, 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 no.